The genius inventor believed that a powerful enough machine could even cause earthquakes. However, the idea did not progress beyond the prototype stage. Although conspiracy theorists obsess over HARP, it's not the only project of its kind. There is the ionospheric research facility at the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. Then there's the defunct ionospheric research station in Kharkiv, Ukraine. There's also an ionospheric heating and shortwave radar facility in Tromsø, Norway. With social media's reach continuing to grow and scientific projects becoming more and more complex, authorities need to improve their communication so that conspiracy theories don't go from being internet conversations to igniters of mass panic.
About 1.5 times larger. So what I have here is a chain of dominoes. Each one is 1.5 times larger than the previous one. And the smallest domino is about 5 millimeters high and 1 millimeter thick. And I will carefully place it.
Scientists have linked the May 2011 earthquake that occurred in Lorca, southern Spain, to excessive extraction of groundwater for livestock and irrigation purposes. Groundwater extraction over a 5-decade period caused the water table to drop by around 250 meters, putting pressure on the Earth's surface, which scientists say resulted in the deadly earthquake.
After a hard day's work at Bagram Airfield, a warm shower or washing one's hands are comforts that a flowing water supply can offer. Though a working faucet could be taken for granted, at an old well in the outskirts of base, a group of U.S. Navy Seabees are making it their mission to guarantee these services continue without interruption. The Seabees are cleaning filters deep under the earth to get the well back online.
The capacity of the well had started to diminish, so they've asked us to come in and see if we could redevelop it to get the output capacity increased.
The respective faults which they occurred on lit up like a Christmas tree, allowing people to easily see the fault lines due to the distributions of aftershocks. However, due to the stress release, some aftershocks occurred outside of these faults at more distant locations. 2 of these quakes were of
amid the heartbreak. The youngest survivors of the massive quake in Turkey and Syria continue to be pulled from the rubble, days after thousands of buildings and homes collapsed. Each one a small victory, cause for celebration. These people praising God as a child is whisked to safety. Rescuers have been racing against the clock. Surrounded by so much death, they persevere, working to save as many lives as possible.